Hi guys, so I just logged on to AJ Animal Jam and there are pet sugar gliders, so they're in the diamond shop and all of fun over Jam. I just want to quickly see something. Yes. Okay, so yeah, they're sugar gliders. Can someone tell me what sugar gliders are, because I'm not actually sure. I know what I'll do. Everyone's in the diamond shop. Oh, that's so cute. Whoa, that one's freaky. Does anyone have one? Oh, this one does. Oh yeah, there's Egyptian treasure, which I think that's why the wind arm is leaving. Oh no, this is diamond. That's really cool. Okay. Okay, then Animal Jam's 4th birthday. They announced it yesterday. By the way, this update took 4.5 hours. Just saying. Oh, AJ's birthday party. Oh, 2 hours. Oh, if you click on different, there's probably like gems or something. AJ birthday. Okay, I just typed in the code for the birthday cake. 4th birthday cake. It's kind of small, so I'll find somewhere in my house for it. Logged in. Oh. Yeah, see, it's kind of small. I don't know, I'll find somewhere for it. Oh, 5 pieces. Look, I don't really like the heat thing, it looks kind of weird. Oh, Egyptian treasure, I knew they would come out after the ice cream. Really like the Egyptian. See if there's any real clothing. Nope. Oh, I hate that they brought the backpack back. Oh, it's closing. What else did it say? Oh, it's all on 50% off. It is not. I never ever went to the... Oh my god, that looks so funny. Okay, I think that's pretty much it. Okay, so that's it, and yeah, I'll see you on my next video, which I think is probably going to be a video that no one really needs to see apart from the person I'm making it for. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!